Hello, good day. Welcome back to Apostle 1 tutorials. Yes. Now, in our previous video, I give detailed explanation on the angles at the center of a circle. We are coming to solve question on angle at the center of a circle. So follow me closely to boost your understanding on the circle. But make sure if you're the first person, this is the first time you are visiting this particular channel, consider subscribing to our channel. Tap on the subscribe button so that and then turn the notification on so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to get it. Like the video and then share to as many friends that you think the video will be beneficial to. You get me? Let's look at this question very well. Yes. Now, look at this diagram. We have diagram QRPS. I'm going to apply only the angle at the center theorem. Yes. Now, what are we saying? Now, how do we see this diagram? I have to identify a chord. A chord where one angle is forming at the center of a circle and then another angle is forming at the circumference of a circle. Yes, so look at it very well. It is not always that the angle will be shown or the chord will be shown. Yes, so look at it very well. Now, looking at this one, I can identify one chord here. Then this one will be the chord. The chord will be PR. Now, note that this one, from the question, this one is the center of a circle, and this one is the circumference of a circle. We have under circumference, we have under circumference, under circumference. But it is not all the circumference we are going to use. Yes. Now, look at something. Now, this chord, the chord PR, this arc and this particular arc. Now let me identify the chord here so that it will be very simple for you. Now can you see that when I consider the chord PR, the R comes at the center and then the P also comes at the center, right? So which means that one angle is forming at the center and the angle form is N. The angle form is N. Now another one is we have to look at the chord from the same chord that forms an angle at the circumference of a circle. So this chord, this one, the R moves to kill. The R moves to kill. At kill, forming an angle of 65 at the circumference of a circle. What does the law says? The property says that when one angle forms at the center and the other angle forms at the circumference of a circle, here is N and here is M. When you multiply the N by 2, it gives us the M. So M is equals to 2 times the N. The M is equals to 2 times the N. It means that when I take the N will be 2 times the one at the circumference of a circle. That is 2 times 65. I hope you are following. Now 2 times 65 will give us what? 2 times 65 will give us 130 degrees. 2 times 65 will give us 130 degrees. Now, so this is the angle for the circumference of a circle. It is the center of a circle N. Now, let's look at this one too. How can we solve for the M? How can we solve for the M? Now, looking at the M, these two angles, N and M, they are angles at the center of a circle. But how do we call it when we come to plane geometry 1? It is angle at a point. And then we learned that angle at a point add up to 360 degrees. So this angle is an angle at a point, looks like a circle. So it means that the M plus the N is supposed to give us 360 degrees. Now we know the N to be 130 degrees. So M plus 130 degrees will give us 360 degrees. So which means we can easily solve for the value of M. So subtracting 130 from 360 will give us 230 degrees. So this is very simple. Make sure you share the link to anybody that will be beneficial to. follow me closely. This is Apostle 1 Tutorials. You can also follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on Brightness 1. Brightness 1. So check Brightness 1 on TikTok and follow me there. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. I'm going to talk about another example using the same property. Follow me closely to boost your understanding. Thank you very much.